Alright, well, hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm going to set my helmet here while Okay, so what we're doing right now is a test. Hopefully everything's good, and I'm just going to talk at a normal pace this whole time. Pardon if my arm jumps in front of the camera, but get my glasses on. Right now this is a test of where I'm going to, I can't get my glasses in my ear. Alright, well, we'll just set them right there. I usually don't wear glasses when I'm riding anyway, so. Basically, this is just a quick test of the current settings that I have for my camera and everything. Damn it. I have the camera on no clip, so it shouldn't get too loud. Low noise. I got it on mono so that I wish my glasses would go in my ear. I don't know. Anyway, I'll just leave one like that. So, okay, I have it on no clip, noise reduction on low, and what's the other one? I'm trying to think. Noise reduction on low. All the gain turned down to -12, so we'll get my shocks bouncing a little bit here as I can get on the bike. I'm like tippy-toed when I'm on this thing. Okay. Get it neutral. We'll start it and let it run for a minute so we can hear how it's going to sound on that. Go ahead and fire this bad boy up. See how this is going to work. Just cruising through the neighborhood a little bit. Got to take it up and wash it off, man. First ride since getting the bike back after doing work on it, so. See if our neighborhood police officer's out. So hopefully this is all good. This is the settings I want to use. If everything's good, I'm going to go riding tomorrow. Take it up in the mountainside so you guys can check it all out, but just gonna do that real quick. Check out where the camera's positioned and everything and see how it sounds. So yeah, that's basically it. That is basically it. I just wanted to get an idea of how everything's going to sound, and if that is good, then see you guys on the trail tomorrow. So that's going to be it for this. Just wanted to test everything out. Like I said, gain at -12, noise reduction on low, and I got the microphone right here in my helmet with me. So with that being said, we will see how this video turns out. I'm going to post the whole thing just how it is. So you guys let me know what you think. See ya.